All right, the countdown to Christmas, believe it or not, has begun. While we are still a full 47 days away from welcoming the big day, some people are already decorating for the holidays. But this year, getting your hands on a real Christmas tree could be a little harder. Hurricane Helene destroyed hundreds of thousands of acres of forest in western North Carolina. That happens to be the area nearly a quarter of our country's Christmas trees come from. KPRC-TV's Gage Goulding is investigating if this could turn into a nightmare before Christmas for us.
All of these trees are sold right here at the farm and will end up in a Houstonian's home somewhere.
Meet Tyler Froberg, a third-generation farmer here in Elvin, Texas. He raises everything from strawberries to Christmas trees.
We have some really great Christmas tree farmers here in Texas. We like to think that we're one of them.
Froberg Farms is one of 3 Christmas tree farms in the Houston area, and one that is sure to be busy.
How many Christmas trees every year are you selling here?
Approximately 3,000.
But that's just a drop in the bucket compared to the nation's largest Christmas tree producer, western North Carolina, the state accounting for 1/5 of all real Christmas trees in the country. But Hurricane Helene has left the forest blown bare. The state estimates more than 800,000 acres of forest were damaged. And with roads and bridges still destroyed, getting those trees to your town might be next to impossible.
I think there will more than likely be a shortage of trees, especially at your typical places that most people would go buy a tree.
And here at Froberg Farm, they're no stranger to the wrath that Mother Nature can have. This patch of their farm here wasn't harvested last Christmas, instead earlier this year by Hurricane Beryl, the storm knocking down each and every one of their 10,000 Christmas trees, and big portions of their farm like this were entirely killed.
We pushed all the trees back in place. We put this kickstand in place, and we had to do that with 10,000 of them. The devastation was not near as bad here as it was there.
Look, the truth is, we're not sure if there will be a Christmas tree shortage yet. It depends on how many people want to buy those real trees. An association of tree growers in North Carolina says they aren't expecting a significant impact on their supply. However, one supply that's standing tall is right in your backyard.
Do you think you'll sell more than you would typically because of what happened with Helene?
We don't want to bank on someone else's tragedy. If there is a shortage of real trees out there and we can give people a real family experience to come out and cut their own, then I don't see why we wouldn't.
In Elvin, Gage Goulding, KPRC 2 News.